Hey, so I'm going to go over editing with text in Transcriptive. Editing with text is one of those things that you show to editors, especially those working on docs or reality or anything that generates a lot of unscripted footage. It's one of those things that they don't actually know they need until they see it. And then they're usually pretty blown away by it. At least that's been our experience. So let's talk about how Transcriptive handles that. Transcriptive at this point is actually two panels, Transcriptive panel itself, and then Power Search. And Power Search is a panel that will search all the metadata in a project. So if you've got 20 hours of footage or 100 hours of footage or whatever, it's going to index all that, and then that enables the editor to search all of it, get search results just like they would in a search engine, and click on those search results. So let's type in meditation. I've got a bunch of meditation talks in here, so it's going to return a bunch of results. You can see the clip name, the time code of it, the search results with a little bit of text before and after the search result for context. And you can see all of the clips that we've got results in. And so let's click on one of these. And if we come back to Transcriptive and we click on Sync with Playhead, there's a little bit of a disconnect that we could do better between getting Power Search and Transcriptive to talk to each other. But right now you have to sync with Playhead. Power Search is going to jump to that point in the clip, and then you need to sync with the clip. So once we have that, and once we know where the meditation is, search result is said, we can come into Transcriptive, set in, and set out points, and then insert that into our edit down here. So we're going to do that. We can come back to Power Search, do the same thing all over again, come back to Transcriptive again, jump to where the playhead is, and again set in out points, insert that, and we can keep going back and forth, basically editing with text in that way. You can also search in the Transcriptive panel itself. So if you know the clip that the soundbite was said in, we can just search in that clip. But either way, you can produce search results, set in and out points, drop that into the edit down here. And then when we come down to this edit, to the sequence, turn off clip mode, and Transcriptive is going to automatically generate a transcript from the footage that we have in here. And so you can see that that's automatically generated that transcript. You can now save, you can now edit this, you can now save it out as captions. Transcriptive isn't exactly a full-on caption editor, so we kind of rely on Premiere's captioning tool. You can come in here and set things like change the time code, the start and the end time code for the words. It'd be pretty easy to build this out to accommodate captions. Right now it's really set up to edit transcripts, but building functionality in here that would make this a little bit more of a caption editor would not be that difficult. We've done a lot of work on the back end that the captioning stuff would mostly just be a bit of a UI change. A significant one, but there's a lot of infrastructure there that would not be hard to take advantage of. So anyway, so that's editing with text in Transcriptive and Power Search. I think it's a pretty powerful way of editing. Our next step with this is to create a different panel that basically just has these text blocks in here, and you can move these around to actually do real editing with text. But that's something that is high on the roadmap and is something that we're actively working on. So that's where we're at with it. If you have any questions, just reach out to me. Thanks.